Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. Now when you boot it up for the first time, meaning the device, you should be presented with this screen right over here, and all you need to do is just tap on an arrow and then find your desired language from the list right here. Once you have done so, go to the next page and choose your region. And then we have some legal information, so obviously we need to agree to the user agreement and also privacy policy, and then we can go to the next page. I will not select the other two, they're optional, so no need. Now here we can connect to some kind of network, assuming you have one that you can connect to, but if you don't worry, you can select skip right at the top. And by skipping it, you will lose the option to log into your Google account throughout the setup process, and also a date and time will not be set automatically. Now both of these things can be changed later on. When you're done setting up your device, you can just go into the settings and customize them. Now on this page we have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't want some of these, you can turn them off. From there, let's go to the next page, which allows us to select a navigation style. Now we have the button navigation, which is the typical old school one, and then we have also gestures, which is the more commonly used style of navigation nowadays. And that is what I will be selecting. Now moving on to the next page, we have option to select a screen lock. We have three different methods of having a screen lock. So we have fingerprint, face recognition, and password. Now under password you have PIN, pattern, or password, and if you're planning to set up any of the two first ones, like the fingerprint or face recognition, or both of them, then you will always be also required to select the last option, which is PIN, pattern, or password. The reason for this would be that if something would happen to your finger or your face or both, then you'd lose access to your device, and that would leave the option for a pattern, PIN, or password to unlock it. And obviously if you don't want to protect your device, you can select skip right at the top. And from here we have some recommended. Auto update overnight, completely up to you. If you want to, you can enable this. If you don't, just keep it off. And this finishes up the setup. So select get started, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.